हेलो एंड वेलकम टू शुभम भविष्य। मैं हूं शुभम और आज हम इस तरह बात करने वाले हैं लेक्चर सीरीज़ के बारे में। एमएस टीम्स में आप क्लास अगर करते हैं तो कैसे आपका जो है अटेंडेंस होगा, वो ऑटोमेटिकली अटेंडेंस हो जाता है। और लेक्चर सीरीज़ में आप अगर किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में हैं, आपका डोमेन के हिसाब से अभी तक नहीं मिला है, तो जब भी लेक्चर सीरीज़ का फॉर्म आएगा वेबसाइट पे, तब आप अभी से लेक्चर सीरीज़ चूज करके रखिए। 7 8 आपके हिसाब से आप मैक्सिमम पढ़ना कर सकते हैं ना, तो जो जो होगा जिस भी डोमेन से आप हैं, तो किसी में 7 किसी में 8, और अगर 5 5 करना चाहते हैं या 6 5 करना चाहते हैं तो आप जैसे कर सकते हैं वैसे कर लीजिएगा। इससे होगा कि आप जो प्रोजेक्ट में हैं वो अगर करते हैं तो वो उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, या आप बाद में जो लेक्चर सीरीज़ होगा उसमें आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। और भी काफ़ी कुछ बताया गया था, तो यहाँ पर नरहरि शास्त्री सर क्या कुछ बताए थे उसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा। ठीक है। नरहरि शास्त्री सर क्या कुछ बताए थे, क्यों क्लासेस करना चाहिए, क्लासेस नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा, और एमिनेंट साइंटिस्ट का लेक्चर क्यों आपको सुनना चाहिए, और भी काफ़ी कुछ बताए थे, तो पूरा सुनिएगा। और मेंटर लिस्ट और स्टूडेंट्स लिस्ट आया है ग्रुप 6 के लिए, प्रोजेक्ट 6 में जो है, प्रोजेक्ट 6 के अंदर तो हर एक का मेंटर असाइन हो गया है, और हर एक का जो है आपका हर एक सर का हर सर मैम हम लोगों के लिए असाइन हो गए हैं। ठीक है, तो आप उसको चेक कर लीजिएगा यहाँ पर से, इसको डाउनलोड करके। तो यही सब था। अब हम लोग जाएंगे वीडियो में। आप काफ़ी कुछ कहीं भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा, और वीडियो का अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक कीजिएगा, क्योंकि आप लोग लाइक करते हैं। मेरा कोई कोई हेटर्स भी है, वो अलग बात है, चलिए। और आप लोग कहीं भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा। आप अगर चाहते हैं तो जाम कर सकते हैं, कोई भी आप उसको बढ़ा बढ़ा के देख सकते हैं, अगर आपको टाइम नहीं है आपके पास तो। ठीक है, तो आप थोड़ा सा वीडियो लंबा हो सकता है, लेकिन वीडियो पूरा देखिएगा। ठीक है, चलिए मिल लेते हैं फिर से।
And ask questions. Okay, so there are different types of issues, different types of problems, and our attempt is to give you a large number of lectures by eminent people and a few lectures by people in a particular area, and maybe exposed to some experiments, instruments, live demonstrations with smaller groups, and probably handhold you in completing or conceiving some projects with the help of others. So we are taking the help of a few dozens of people. Some are from Nice, Jorhat, and some of them are from outside. And my team is there to really work with you. And there are all types of questions, and they're probably very difficult to answer. We did not receive any email regarding the program. Why? That's a question. Yeah, we are also having lots of limitations when 16,000 people are trying to be accommodated in different ways. It is very difficult to give a personal and individual email to people. And also, when so many people are registered when they are there, why so few people are attending classes? Why so few people are attending lectures by these eminent people? When you have 1,200 people at one time, after 30 minutes, why this is reduced to 600? A large number of people, 70% of the people, they are not even interested in attending the classes, attending the lectures. And those who attend, 20-30% people leave. So I would like to really request all of you that if you don't have a lot of commitment to learn something and then do some project, kindly leave this program. This is for people who are really enthusiastic and who wanted to work. And our team will try to ensure that they will connect to everybody. We just started a few days before, and we are also new to the system, and we have our own issues confronting with them. But we have a burning desire to trigger the scientific passion that is there in the young students across the country. We have a burning desire to inculcate the scientific temperament among the people who are locked down in this particular pandemic. So, my dear friends, I really thank all of you for taking your time, and I sincerely congratulate the team at NIS Jorhat, the CSIR lab, which is taking a call on itself to start this unprecedented program, just triggered by the passion, and we will be able to really work with you. And for most of the questions, like Azim's Khan question of when will be ISBT list will be published, we have to give them some time. And if it is not possible, you may have to see that how you can attend some classes here and then get inspired. I had mailed a complaint regarding my name correction, but no response. My dear anonymous project, some number 6357, please try to understand that this will be done, and take us a few weeks, give us some time, we will do it, and enjoy the lectures, enjoy what is going on, and probably it's good that you stop asking ridiculous questions that when something happens, wait, have patience. With these few words, I request my team to work with tremendous spirit against all silly questions, and then try to trigger scientific passion, and then cater to the needs of those who are really, really excited in doing something fundamental. In this case, project number 6 in health and nutrition.
Uh, lecture registration will be opening soon. But before that, we are requesting you to give your choice which lecture from lecture series 1 as well as lecture series 2 you will be taking. So after that, the link for the lecture series will be uploaded.
And with specific group, I'll be cut off from this project. So if your name has already been published in our SRTP website, so you might have been considered in one or the other project. So that's the final decision of the SRTP team. And in whatever project you have been assigned, you will be working under that project only. Though the mentoring and the assignment of the mentors may be different, but you have to work in that particular project only.
Okay, one more question. Sir, how about the execution experiment to be planned in the project? Rumi.
Yeah. Okay. The question is that how about the execution experiments to be planned in the project? So definitely, depending upon the mentor, so he will be guiding you to how to conduct the experiment for that particular project. So once you will be getting your mentor, then your idea as well as the work plan for that particular project will be very much clear.
Yeah, there are so many common questions. The way they have asked is different, but the answer is same. It's mostly regarding with lecture series. How do we choose the lectures? Then how we go for registration of the lectures? There is no link given for the lectures, and how we will contact for choosing those lectures. So uh, for all the queries related with the lectures, I have a common answer. The title of the topics, the number of classes that will be taken under those lectures has been uploaded, but you have to be patient and wait for some times. By that time, the link for choosing the lectures, as well as the date and the time and how do you join the particular lectures, will be uploaded. So have patience and wait for the links to be uploaded, but keep on checking the SRTP websites regularly. And regarding the lecture series specific for Project 6, I'm again repeating, regarding lectures for Project 6, the mentors will be communicating the students about the lectures and how they are going to attend it. Maybe the link for attending the lectures, the time schedule for attending the lectures, the day and the time. So for specifically for Project 6, those will be circulated by the mentors through the SRTP.
As well as our group and all those things. And we have answered almost all the questions. And so like slowly we'll be updating you all the information. And so for our knowledge, so you'll be very soon connected with your mentor.
Using MS Team is we'll try to have our SRTP team coordinating all the projects, all the online sessions. Every time any kind of online sessions or interactions happen in respect to the SRTP, whether it may be between the mentors and the SRTP team, between the mentors and the students, between the students and the SRTP team, we always try to put SRTP team in the loop. So that's why we use MS Team. So because MS Team is specifically preferred for this particular kind of online training. So we will meet online we'll give online interactive sessions. We'll have the online meetings via MS Team only, and SRTP team will always be there to conduct any online meeting or interactions. So I'm getting similar kind of information questions that I have answered.
Topic from the lecture series 1 as well as lecture series 2, is it the random or related with your project? So I think that it is up to your interest. It's not restricted to your project. Even you can take the lecture series beyond the like the minimum requirement. You can take up to your choice, and definitely they will be helpful for your future career. So there is no boundary that you have to take it related to your project. It is basically mostly random, and you are welcome to take more than the minimum requirement.
उम्मीद करता हूँ जो कुछ बताया गया था सर की तरफ से सब कुछ समझ पाए होंगे। इसी के साथ जो है वीडियो समाप्त करते हैं, फिर से मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।